All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem for you. Before we get into it, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you take a shot at it before we go over here together. Okay? All right, so let's look at this. This says a lawn maintenance professional uses the formula C equals 5 halves LWN to estimate how much to charge C to perform lawn service at a location that is L feet long, W feet wide, and that requires N different types of lawn services, mowing, weed trimming, etc. How can W be correctly expressed in terms of C, L, and N? Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this. So C is equal to 5 halves L, W, N. We want to know what is W expressed in terms of C, L, and N. Now, the key to this is something that shows up a lot with the SAT, and that is that you need to understand. Let me see if I have a highlighter here. Do I? Yep. To understand that basically all of this information right here, and I'm not really doing a good job of highlighting it, but all of this information is unnecessary for solving this problem. All of it is. Okay. And I should have done it that color, but we won't worry about that. It doesn't matter what C stands for. I mean, what it is. It doesn't matter what L, W, and N are. None of that matters. All you need to do is um, you need to solve this equation in terms of W. And sorry if you hear my phone in the background. It's kind of messing up my recording here. But yeah, so anyhow, oops, sorry about that. All right, so let's just solve for W. So this becomes, if we want to solve for W, you need to move everything to the other side. So we're going to multiply both sides by, change my color back, multiply both sides by 2/5. That gets rid of the 5 halves, changes it to 1, moves it to the other side. So 2/5 C equals LWN. Now divide both sides by LN so that you can get rid of the L and the N. So then finally, W equals 2C over 5LN. Okay. Again, it doesn't really matter what all that stuff stands for. Now, maybe if you were solving a different kind of problem, it would matter. But all they want you to do is solve for one variable in terms of the others. That means get the variable you want to solve for on one side of the equal sign by itself. Let me know how you did on this problem. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with a friend, and also have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.